returning subscriber, thank you for returning. And if you are new to this channel or you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I upload videos. So, today I am working with the Catherine Pooler's Fall Calls for Latte stamp set and the coordinating dies. You're only going to see me color the cup, and then I moved, and then I did all the other coloring offline. And so I'm working with the Spiced Catherine Pooler ink. I only own 3 of her colors, but I'm definitely going to get some more. But for coloring, I'm using the Stamping Blends. I'm using Old Olive, Mango Melody, Mango Melody, and then I use the Dark Cajun Craze, and then I use the light Calypso Coral. I thought I was getting the light Cajun Craze, but then I also brought in the Spectrum Noir's Tri-Blend Dark Red Shades marker to color in some of those images. And also, before I forget, I want to say happy World Cardmaking Day. I'm so happy that this year I finally got a video up for World Cardmaking Day. I always seem to forget, and it's always last minute for me. But this year I am remembering right on time. Okay, so there I'm just coloring the cup. And that's when I realized my mistake. That I was using the wrong shade when I started coloring in with the Cajun Craze. I was like, wait, hold on, maybe I could get these two to blend. But then I realized, no, I can't. So I just went back over with the Cajun Craze marker. One thing about me, I love any kind of stamps that have lattes or anything to do with coffee. It's just, I'm a coffee drinker. I love it. So for this card, I decided to take some of the mint tape and I'm going to cut it in half because I want to ink blend some stripes. I am inspired by a sketch that was on My Favorite Things. And so I'm using the fossilized amber distress oxide, and I'm also using the aged mahogany because I figured that those two went well with the coloring that I did. And so now I'm about to start on the aged mahogany. So I'm just going to cover up the first one. Now, I did have some boo-boos when I really did say boo-boos and I'm a grown woman. Once I had lifted up the mint tape, but I was able to cover up most of it with my images. And as you can see, like where I messed up, but because the image is going to cover all of that, it kind of fixed itself for me. Okay, so then I took a circle. I had that in my collection. I don't know what size circle that is, but now I'm going to start cutting down this panel to a 4x5¼ panel, and I'm just going to add that to an A2 size base. And I believe I used some of my thick Whisper White cardstock that I have. I have plenty of it still. Okay. And I'm going to add, but before I add my images, I'm going to actually ink up my sentiment. But I wanted to make sure that everything was going to place where I wanted it to place at. And I don't know about you guys, but I am a slow crafter. So this part of this video was actually done the next day, because I got a little busy with other things around the house, so I had to wait until the next day. Okay. So I'm adhering my images, my focal images, But then I start to realize, oh, I need to do the sentiment. So I'm going to pull that back off. And I'm going to stamp the image using aged mahogany in my mini Misty. I love that little tool. I got this from scrapbook.com, the stamp pendable. And as somebody who has arthritis and has carpal tunnel, it has been such a saver for me. Okay, so now I'm just about to start putting the card together. And that's when I realized I lost my my bone folder, and I was looking everywhere for it. Okay, so we were just hearing that. And I'm using Barely Art glue. I love this glue because I love the fine tip and that comes with it. And I've had this glue for a few months now, and I'm still at the very beginning. And I have this thing coming on subscription every 3 months. And I'm still on the very first. So, that's it. Oh, I'm going to add, about to say that's it. I'm going to add some of the, I think I used the, King, no, this looks like it. It's a sequin mix. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not going to butcher it. It's a sequin mix from Catherine Pooler. Mazatlan. That's what I want. It looks like it seems like a Spanish city. Thank you so much for joining me today. And don't forget to hit the like button because it does wonders for my channel. And have a wonderful day.